Welcome. Meet Mindy, our AI-powered chatbot designed to optimize the HR Helpdesk. Mindy effortlessly handles HR queries aligned with organizational policies, replacing traditional human-operated helpdesks. It is built using Amazon Bedrock and Lex, which enable advanced generative AI capabilities. We also have another version built on Azure AI. It is deployed via AWS CloudFormation, ensuring scalability and streamlined resource management. Mindy provides quick, accurate answers to a wide range of HR questions. It ensures employees have 24/7 access to HR policies, reduces the workload on HR teams, and enables them to focus on strategic tasks by minimizing repetitive queries. It also integrates with MS Teams or any other organization-wide messaging app like Slack. Mindy was built in less than a day. Let us know how we can assist to make your organization AI-driven. Thank you for watching.